Hi friends, I'm Anna Helman and I'm so glad you're here today. Do you struggle with measuring for your card projects? Today I want to share a quick tip with you that you can cut perfect mats that will lay perfectly on top of each other with a nice border showing around. Perfect mats with absolutely no measuring. Let's take a look at it. Here I have a piece of designer paper as well as a piece of cardstock behind it that I want to cut to be a mat for the front of a card. So typically when I cut mats for the front or the inside of a card, I am cutting to 4 inches by 5 1/4. So what I'm going to do for this is I want my designer paper to be a little bit smaller than the cardstock. The cardstock will show behind. I'll put all of this on the front of my card base. So what I'm going to do, and you can do this for any size measurement. So you don't even have to measure. I am going to for the purposes of my demonstration, but keep in mind you can use this tip and just cut. But the idea is what you need to do is cut your 2 pieces to the same size. Exact same size. So right now, my designer paper and my cardstock are the same size. You're like, Anna, that doesn't matter. I can't see the cardstock behind. You're right. Here's what we're going to do. I'm pulling the one that I want on top off. We need to cut it down a tiny bit more. So choose a measurement over here on the side because you want to use the same measurement for the side and the bottom. So I'm going to use this first measurement right here. It just happens to be 1/4 of an inch, but it can be any of the lines you want. If you want to make a little mark on the one you're going to use so that you don't get it confused with the other ones, you can do that. I'm going to cut back off at that one and let's see what we have. We have a perfectly cut mat. When I bring in my card base, if you want it to line up with this, it does as well. If you use those same measurements I did, which is 4 inches wide and 5 1/4 inches this way. But this is a trick you can use with any piece of paper. Just cut 2 of the same size, cut that top one down a little bit, and it is going to mat perfectly. Now, if you want another trick for cutting pieces, your card bases and mats easily, you may have noticed these lines on my trimmer. I have a link in the video description below to a video where I talk all about this. I put these on here so that I don't have to worry about measurements when I'm cutting my card bases and my mats. All I have to do is look at my color code. If you want to make sure you see my upcoming videos, make sure you are subscribed, hit the little bell below so you get updates each time I release a new video. I appreciate you. I appreciate if you like and comment. That helps other people find my videos. I hope you'll be back next time when I'll be here helping you to hand make with love.